Okay guys, I'm here at the car and I might go to BJ's. Thank God I didn't forget this coupons because if you're a member at BJ's, they will probably send you a coupons once or twice a month. But oh, they have I already cut the coupons that I might get for later, because I'm gonna be sending this again to my family. Make sure to watch my Balikbayan box part 1, and I'm still working on the part 2. So yeah, like they have a lot of coupons in here. I just have to look over into it, but I already cut some of the things that I might picked up. Okay, I gotta stop. So anyways, I might as well go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx. No, first I have to go to the Target because I need to buy the creamer, because I have a 10% off on my TJ Maxx, or I can also use it Marshalls or Home Goods, Sierra or Home Sense, because they sent me like a 10% off. So anyway, let's go. Anyway guys, normally in my day off, I always go to grocery store. Yes, I always go to grocery store normally around Thursday or Friday, but today's Friday. That time I have to go to the grocery store because I need to buy food for like the whole week for me and my husband. And as you can see in the previous vlog, I always go to the grocery store. And you might think I always go every day, but no, I don't go every day. It's probably because I upload the vlog late and I edit it late, so that's why you may think that I go to grocery store every now and then. No, I always go there once every week, and I'm in charge of going to the grocery store. Sometimes if I forgot stuff on the list, then my husband will go to the grocery store and pick it up. So yes, that's just, you know, FYI. So yeah, and then I'm thinking about baking some chicken breast, and I might buy asparagus or broccoli for my vegetables. So I'm gonna bake some chicken breast, and I'm also gonna be making beef meatballs. So yeah, I'll be doing that as well. And then what else? Wait a minute, let me think what else. I'm at the gas station guys. I just have to get some gas because I am low in fluid. Guys, we have to go at Payless first because I think the store is gonna close, so they're having a sale, so I'm just gonna look. Yeah, so I think the store is gonna close because they're going out of business, so they're having sale. So I might look for some shoes for my brother. So let's see.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, I got my iced caramel macchiato. Anyway, I'm here at the swimsuit aisle. I don't know if I told you already, but we're going on a vacation this coming May. So I don't know yet, but let me just... Ooh, they have a nice swimwear here. By the way, I'm at Target. This is cute. I'm looking for yellow swimsuit. Oh my god. Oh, speaking of, right there. This is cute. They also have lemonade. We are going on a vacation on my birthday, so I'm really excited about it. So let me just... Oh my god, guys, look at this. And that one right there. So I really like that one right there. Oh, this is cute. Extra small. Guys, I think this is a beach bag. I might... Here a minute. Oh, this is cute. for beach, so you can put towels and like accessories in here. This is cute. I don't like this color, but this one is cute and has zippers in here on the side. $35. That looks so cute. I might ask my husband to buy me this. This is so cute. Guys, this is it. I saw this on Kylie Jenner's Instagram story, and I think this is a collagen creamer, and I really want to try it. I look at on Amazon, but thank God yesterday I found this, so but now I'm gonna buy this. So this is the collagen creamer, and I don't know, I want to try this creamer, and I might let you guys know if it's any good. It's $25. It's $24.99, so it's almost $25. This is the vanilla, and this is coconut, and what is this? Unflavored. Okay, so let's get the vanilla. They also have witch hazel. This is the aloe vera formula. This is the rose petal. Oh, it's only $10. I want to try this one, the spray. It's alcohol free. Guys, they have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, so it's $8.49 right there. And I've been looking for this elf putty primer. They really don't have it, and it's sold out online. They really don't have it. I've been trying to find that primer, and I even asked the girl who works here. They don't have it. But they have new products at Elf though. I think these are new. Hey guys, sorry I left you earlier. I was eating at Chipotle. Anyway, I'm here at Home Goods, and I've been looking for a brush holder for my eye brushes, because I already transferred my makeup, like the face brushes, in the other side of like this thing. So I need like eye brushes, brush holder for my eye brushes. So I found this, and this is $13 right there. It has like 4 compartments. Guys, I really like this type of hangers. It's very velvety. I might get one, and it's 25 pieces for $10. So I might get one because I need more hangers. So let me see, let me just grab one of these. They have more. I think the brushes holder, that's the big one right there, like the organizer. And I think this is for your jewelries. Oh, this is cute. Look at that starfish, it's cute. This one, and I think yes, I have this one already. Okay guys, next stop is Marshall's, which is over there, like just right across over there. So we're going to Marshall's, and they have Dollar General there as well, and the Home Goods was over there. So it's like right across each other, not too far. Okay guys, I'm here at Marshall's. So here I'm gonna try this curler, and it's from Absolute Heat Pro Iron Series, and it's $20. Since mine was it's already broke, so I think that they have it here at Marshall's. I have pink one, so of course I have to choose the black one. They have also blow dryer from Revlon. Guys, look, they have flax seeds, and this is the whole chia golden flax seeds. So it's mixed. I just want the whole chia seeds. And I'm gonna send a picture with this one for my sister. I'm gonna ask her if she wants this. It's a matcha latte pro shake right there. And yeah, because I know she liked matcha, so I'll have to take a picture first, and if she says yes, then I'm gonna come back with this one. And they have turmeric powder. What is this? A collagen peptides. They also have keto creamer, you guys. Maca powder. What is this? Okay. I might get chocolates here as well. They have Lindor chocolate for $10. No, $9. Sorry, $9. And this one is $7. So guys, let's go to the baby section. They also have some like not furniture, but this one right here, I think for your clothes, dirty clothes, stuff like that. And let's see, as for baby girls, they have for boys, they have Adidas, and they also have some, what is this? I don't know, I forget what's the name. Oh, here they have the baby section right there, and they also have the boys. Let's go to the boys first. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna get this. This is a Puma hoodie, and it's kind of like a, not white, it's kind of like in between cream. The original price is $45, and it's on sale for I think $16. Yeah, so I might just get these. And then I found this, hold on, where's that at? This brush, hair brush from Foxy Bay. And oh my god, you guys, I saw this on Instagram, and it's rose gold for $5. Okay guys, it's getting cold and it's getting dark. It's 5:22 p.m. and I'm so excited for you guys to I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Marshall's. So no, later, not now, but later. I gotta show it to you because I'm going to Walmart so I can do my groceries. Okay guys, so I pick up strawberry and broccoli. This is in the fresh produce right here. Let's see, I'm gonna get a lime and lemon, and I think I already have cucumber, so I'm good on cucumber. They have asparagus right here. I don't know if I'm gonna cook this time, maybe next week. They have this one. Okay guys, I'm gonna get some lemons, and it's 58 cents each, I believe. Yeah, so I'm gonna get 3 lemons, maybe 1 avocado for my husband because he likes these. Let's see, it's 98 cents each. That's expensive. We do have avocado tree back in my country, and it's like free. Oh my god, I want to go back. So let me just get 1 or 2, I don't know, hold on. Hey guys, I'm finally home. I'm gonna do a grocery haul real quick. I got a chicken breast. I'm gonna bake this chicken breast. So this is the boneless. Yep, this is the boneless chicken breast, and it's $7.65 right there. And I got the uncured turkey bacon right there. I prefer turkey bacon nowadays, guys, because just eating pork bacon, I don't know, it's kind of like oily, and this is more healthy, this one right here, because it has 5 grams of protein and it's low on sodium. So this is really good, and it's whatchamacallit, yep, naturally hardwood smoked bacon. This one right here, this is really good. And I also got my favorite one, the Activa strawberry yogurt, and I picked up the lactose free, and then Cheetos. This is the flaming hot crunchy Cheetos, so I put this upstairs. This is for my sister Sydney because she said she wanna try oatmeal, but I don't know. She told me that I think our oatmeal is better than it. I don't know, but she said so. I'm gonna give this to her. I'm gonna be doing the, putting this in my second Balikbayan box. And then the third one, make sure to check the video, the part 1 Balikbayan box. I got a broccoli. I will be steaming those. I just got one avocado, 3 lemons, and I got this strawberry, you guys, because I'm gonna mix this one with my protein powder. Every morning I'm trying to switch up my coffee with the shake. So Sunday, for example, I will be having a shake, and then Monday I will be having coffee. Okay guys, so I will show you what I got. Marshalls, and this is the Absolute Heat Pro Iron series. So this is a curling one for my hair, so I can curl my hair, because Mariella she told me that maybe I should change my hairstyle. So okay, I'm gonna try that, like curly hair. I do have one, but it's broke, so that's why I went to Marshall. That's like the whole purpose of me going to Marshall's, to buy this hair curler. So I'll show you. Okay, so I was about to buy at Amazon, but I'm just like, you know what, let me just go ahead to Marshall's and check it. And this is it. This is like how big it is, because I like it. I like the big curls. I don't like the skinny one, so I prefer this one. And this is the same brand as like as my hair, I mean straightener. So it's that, and it's $20. It's $19.99, but it's like $20. So next one is from Target. It's the only one that I got from Target. Is this one right here. This is the natural Vital Proteins Collagen Creamer, as you can see earlier. And yeah, I'm really excited to try this creamer together with my coffee and see if it's really good or not. I'm gonna let you guys know. And then also from Marshalls is this one right here that I showed you earlier. This is from the Foxy Bay. I actually I follow their Instagram, and they sell like curling ones or whatnot, but they're kind of like expensive. And then they also sell this like brush, detangling brush, because I needed a new one. So thank God I saw this over there, and it's only what, $5. This one right here. Okay, wait, let me just try to hold on. Oh my god, see? It is so cute because it's rose gold. Oh my god, I need to brush my hair. Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah, that's that. And then next one I got is this Puma hoodie right there, and it's like 16 bucks. Yep, 16 bucks right there. It's still cold here, and I need more hoodie or like jacket. Okay guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I don't want to show you what I got at Ross and like the rest at Marshall's, because I will be doing a part 2 of my Balikbayan box, and I don't want this vlog to be long. So I'm gonna end this vlog. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon in my next video.